Alright, so it's on the 66 Buick again. I'm testing out spark on my HEI. I got wire clamped to the distributor on the casing, on the metal part. Got it running with the cap upside down to the coil. I'm about to turn it over. Spark is there, it's really inconsistent. I want to say part of the problem that it's not turning fast enough, but we'll see. Alright, trying to 2-hole test the spark. Alright, I got the valve cover off. Check the lifters. There we go. Alright, I got movement on all of them. Just give it a rest for a second. Alright, back to checking spark with the valve covers off.